Hey everyone, welcome back to the Math Hive, and today we will be talking about squares and roots. So first of all, we need to understand that perfect squares and roots are related to each other to understand the topics in this video. So for example, 16 is a perfect square because 4 times 4 is equal to 16, or 4 to the power of 2 is also equal to 16. The square root of 16 is also 4, or square root of 4 times 4 is 4, or 4 to the power of 2 is also 4, because these cancel out. The same applies to perfect cubes. 8 is a perfect cube because 2 times 2 times 2 equals 8. 2 to the power of 3 equals 8. And the cube root of 8 is 2. Or the cube root of 8, 2. Or the cube root of 2 cubed is 2. Generally, you would need a calculator to find the square root of different numbers, but there's a method you can use to find the square root of a perfect root without one. Let's take the square root of 100 for example. To find it, we can use prime factorization. If you don't know what that is, look at the video I posted previous to this one and come back. So first, put 100 into the upside down division sign, and from here we can factor out a 2 right here, which we can break down into 50. We can see 50 is an even number, so we can have another 2 here, which leaves us with 25. And since 3 or 2 cannot go into it, we have to find another prime number which can go into 25 evenly, and that number is 5. Since 5 is a prime, put all of these numbers underneath one single square root bracket like this. So 2 times 2 times 5 times 5. Always make this longer. And so this basically means it is equivalent to 2 to the power of 2 times 5 to the power of 2. And since the opposite of powers are square roots, these cancel out, and we're left with 2 times 5. Everybody knows 2 times 5 is equal to 10. And so the square root of 100, I'll give you one more. Let's find the square root of 576 without using a calculator. So first, we want to use prime factorization to find the prime factors of this number. So we can put it into the upside down division symbol, factor out a 2. We see this is even, so we can factor out another 2. Once again, another 2. Keep on doing it until we get the prime factor, 36. This divided by 2, 18. 2. We have to go here, which is 9. We can factor out a 3 this time because it's an odd number, and we're left with 6 2s and 2 3s. So what we got from this is the prime factors of 576 are 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 times 3 times 3. And since we want this into the power form, we're going to make this into 2 to the power of 6 times 3 to the power of 2. And what this allows us to do is to put a square root symbol over it, which can cancel these out, and we're left with 2 cubed times 3. 2 cubed equals 8, and we're left with 8 times 3, and so 8 times 3 is 24. So the square root of 576 is 24. And that's all for this video. If you learned something new, make sure you subscribe for more. Thank you for watching.